So as you saw, I got the Ninja going, I got the smoke going, and that smoke goes pretty well. Today I'm going to be cooking up some Dr Pepper Brats and kind of adding to this sauerkraut. Now this sauerkraut here is excellent, so if you can find this, Pat got this from a small store near Sedona. So I don't know where else they sell it, but I'm sure it's all around, but it's excellent. So Dr Pepper Brats, really? Well, Pat got these for me because I've been a pepper forever.
I'm a pepper, he's a pepper, she's a pepper, we're a pepper, wouldn't you like to be a pepper too?
And one thing I learned a long time ago is if you want your brats to not be curved like they come from the store, take a skewer and you can soak them for a bit so that the tips don't burn. But you put the skewer through it and it will keep it straight. At least that's the theory. It's worked in the past, doesn't mean it's going to work now. So as soon as this thing is done coming up to temp, I'm going to throw these in, and as you saw, I've got grill and smoke flavor going because I'm going to be grilling and smoking. They're only going to grill for 8 to 10 minutes really, but they're going to turn out good. Had a couple of days ago as a test, so I figured I'd just share these, and let's just say they're different, and I will leave it at that. So here's the sauerkraut, and like I said before, it's really good, and I'm going to add a little to it. Just going to put some regular old mustard in. You can put some spicy mustard if you want. Pat likes it spicier. I don't. I am going to add some little sweet relish. Adds to the flavor. And I'm going to take my pepper plant seasoning. I love the sauce, and the seasoning is not bad. Add a little bit of that. This kind of reminds me of a brat place I used to go to. They had, I think, what they called grandma's kraut, something like that. Had a red tint to it. Don't really know what they did to it, but it was good. So when I had the pepper plant sauce, they make various flavors. I used to add that, but since I've been getting the seasoning, that's what I've been adding. So this is what it looks like. Let's try a little bit. Kind of gives you a little kick there. Alright, and I'm actually going to put that in with the brats. So everything's ready to go, so let's get them in. Alright, everything's in the grill. Whew, and you can see that smoke. It's telling me to shut up. Oh, shut lid. So I'm going to go ahead, put that in. A couple minutes I'll start spinning the brats, stirring the kraut, and then it's going to be time to eat. Alright, so it's been almost 7 minutes. You can see I got some smoke into the kraut there, which is nice. And the brats are cooking up just fine. Right now they're at about 125 internal. Go another 20 degrees and we will be there. It's been 10 minutes and they are done. For the last minute I put the buns on there to get a little bit of a toast. And I'm going to take everything off and let you take a look. So there they are. I pulled the skewers out. They worked really good. It's better than trying to put a crooked hot dog in a bun. So I add a little more mustard. I'm going to take my slightly smoked sauerkraut with the fixins. And there we go. As I said, I have had these. They have a different taste to them. Pat doesn't particularly care for them. She didn't have it with the extra on the sauerkraut. But they do have a different taste to them. They're not bad. Would I buy them again? Yeah, if they were on sale. But I'm not going to try to bite into one right now because, well, they're over 150 degrees inside. So I'm going to just let them sit for a bit. I've got some tots cooking inside. So it's about time to eat. With that, another cook with the Ninja Woodfire. I think it's officially called the Pro Connect XL or XL Pro Connect. Whatever it's called. I know I'm late to the party. It's been out for a couple of years, but man, I wish I'd gotten this a long time ago. It is nice. So with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another one, and I hope to go camping soon. Thanks for watching.